Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can enable Master Key in your Trust Wallet. So the very first thing that you have to do is open your Trust Wallet. So once you're in here, go ahead and tap on the settings. So just click on the settings icon at the bottom right. So once you're in here, go ahead and tap on the Manage Wallets at the very top of the screen. So just go ahead and click on this one. And then in here, you will see all your wallets in here. So if you have a lot of wallets, make sure to select the wallet that you're going to be enabling the master key. So in this example, we're going to be putting the master key on the first wallet. So in here, just go ahead and tap on the secret phrase at the bottom. Now you will be asked to provide your password, and then after you provide your password, you tap on the verify. And once that's done, your master key is going to be enabled right away. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.